Mantras can be used for developing very powerful concentration and awareness meditation. Everything in life, how much suffering we create for others and ourselves, is dependent on awareness. Even in the animal kingdom, how alert an animal is means his survival. A stupid snake hanging out bathing in the sun because he feels a little cold gets eaten up by a big bird. You know, stupid animals get eaten. And stupidity means what? Stupidity is just an evil word that we use because it's fun, but it actually means lack of awareness. Awareness is the key to good survival. Awareness is the key to success. Awareness is the key to knowledge. Awareness is the key to happiness. Awareness is the key of Buddhism. Now, when we use mantras, we are doing a double-fold benefit to ourselves. We are invoking the 3 aeons of a Buddha into us, the blessings. 1. 2, we, instead of focusing on the breath, we focus on the mantra. For example, during meditation, we focus on Avalokiteshvara's mantra. Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum. You keep the sound at a still where you can hear it, people outside cannot. You keep it regular, you keep it well, and in your heart you visualize a Hum around on the moon disk. Around that is Om Mani Padme Hum, going around with 6 different colors, representing the 6 different realms of samsara in which you wish to conquer and empty out. And brilliant lights going out into the 6 realms and eliminating the sufferings of others. So I recite that mantra very methodically, Om Mani Padme Hum. And you focus your mind not on what you're going to eat, you're hungry, you're tired, your legs hurt, you don't focus on the weather, you don't focus on mosquitoes, you don't focus on anything, you focus on the mantra, and how long you can focus on that mantra is how strong your meditation of awareness is. And when you keep that meditation strong and aware, not only are you able to remember previous lives, your memory becomes excellent, your mind becomes firm and strong, and you're able to endure hardship. Also simultaneously, because it's invoking on the blessings of the Bodhisattva Avalokiteshvara, your meditation will be doubled.